Okay, how to sketch the graph. As long as it's linear, you can use slope and y-intercept form. So use standard form, which is y equals to mx plus b, where m represents your slope and your b represents your y-intercept. So as you know that slope means you can also get your slope, which is m equals to rise over run. And then we have y-intercept means when your y-axis is intercepted by the line. So you will have x equals to 0, but y can be any value. Now keeping this in mind, now if you look at the first question here, the first question we have is to sketch y equals to 3x. Now if I compare this with my y equals to mx plus b, except for x, the one which is residing in m place is 3, so you have m equals to 3, and in place of b you see that it is clearly 2. So hence always start with your b value, so which means 2. So I start with 2 here. Then since your m is rise over run, m is numerator 3 and denominator 1, so which means 3, which is positive, tells you that so this is your rise means go up or down. So since it is positive, I have to go up. So 1, 2 and 3, so I reached here. Then from here your denominator is 1, which is known as run, positive 1, so which means you go towards the bigger one, so 1 unit distance. So I stop here. So you join your y-intercept, and okay, so this is your graph that's given by y equals to 3x plus 2. The same method now you do it for your, so like you have m and b, you need to catch hold of it. So here your m is negative 2, so in this case m equals to negative 2 and b equals to 1, so over 1, so this is your rise. So I start with b here, which is positive 1, so I start with positive 1, then negative 2, so 1, 2, then I have positive 1, so I go towards here. So this is my point here to join my y-intercept and the point here. So this is my graph y equals to negative 2x plus 1. Now sometimes you would see that you also encounter a question where it is not arranged. We cannot directly get out the y-intercept or the slope, so what you have to do is arrange. So make y alone, so y equals to everything you take to the other side. So you have x will become positive, will become negative x, plus 2 will become minus 2. So then from here you can take out your m value and your y-intercept. So I have here with me, so this is my m, which is negative 1. So if there's no number, it is 1. Okay? So denominator 1, because I want to clearly see my rise and run. And this is my b, which is equal to negative 2. So I start with b, so negative 2 here, start with negative 2, then rise negative 1, so I move down because it's negative 1 unit because it is 1, then positive 1, and I stop here. As positive 1 means run means 1 distance. Then I bring my scale and try to join the points here. So the y-intercept and the stopping point to join. So this line is y plus x plus 2 equals to 0.